In this video, I'll go over the most useful bubble shortcuts that are guaranteed to speed up your development process. As a bonus, I'll also include a really helpful extension that provides even more powerful shortcuts at the end of the video. So make sure to stick around for that. The first shortcut on this list is Ctrl K, which directly takes you to the workflow tab of the current element that you have selected, instead of opening up the element editor and pressing the edit workflow button. Next is Ctrl D, which duplicates an element. I know this is fairly common, but it is a shortcut that I've used very frequently, and if you didn't know about this shortcut, it will definitely save you a lot of time. Next up is Ctrl E, which centers the element relatively to the parent. This is super handy when you are creating quickly in the Design tab. You can also save a few clicks by using the Group shortcut. Simply select the elements that you want to group by pressing Shift and then pressing Ctrl G, which will automatically group them. We all already know about the common copy and paste shortcuts, but you can also copy an element's formatting by pressing Ctrl Shift C and Ctrl Shift V while pasting. Another handy shortcut is Ctrl P, which directly previews your application in a new tab. Now there are two more shortcuts, but they only work on Mac. The first one is Ctrl T, which switches between the Design, Workflow, and Data tabs. Once you get used to this shortcut will increase your navigation speed and save you a lot of clicks. The second shortcut is Command Click, which allows you to select the element under the current element. You can cycle through the elements by holding Command and clicking. This saves a ton of time since you don't always have to go to the elements tree and find which element you are looking for. If you ever forget any of these shortcuts, you can access them by clicking this question mark and selecting the shortcuts list. This list, however, does have some obvious or rarely used shortcuts, so I've created a concise cheat sheet with the most useful shortcuts that will be linked in the description. As mentioned in the start of the video, the bonus extension which offers even more shortcuts is Bubble Buddy. After you install Bubble Buddy, you should be able to access 8 new shortcuts, and I'll go over the 4 most useful ones now. You can add or remove the debug mode from the page by pressing Ctrl M or just by clicking the Bubble Buddy icon. This removes the need to manually change the URL each time. Bubble Buddy also lets you quickly reveal an element in the elements tree by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E. The next shortcut allows you to select the first parent element. This can be done by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Y, which again minimizes the time you would spend searching in the elements tree. The last shortcut is more of an improvement to Bubble's Start Edit Workflow shortcut, because this shortcut can be used by pressing Ctrl Shift plus F. This is much easier than the existing Ctrl plus K. Bubble Buddy also comes with a really useful highlight feature. Usually when you have long data rows and columns, it's easy to lose track of which row you were looking at. Bubble Buddy, however, highlights the row that you were hovering over, which reduces confusion and saves time. We hope you found these shortcuts helpful, and do let us know which video you would like us to work on next in the comment section below.